पीक फुटबॉल भाई,
मुठबाजी।
This is the best football game I've watched ever. No debates, nothing.
भाई लोंडो, I have not seen anything
Ever in my
like this.
life.
Ever. Match होता है, मैंने देखा नहीं।
This is one of the greatest game in football.
Good pass, yes! Penal. That's a penal. Just एक साइड चांस और फिर दूसरी साइड काउंटर पे पेनाल।
Oh my
मार
God!
रहे हैं।
Penalty for Bayern Munich, Londo. Penalty, clear penalty. It is impossible. Kane number impossible.
And he
Of course
scores,
he does,
he-
bhai.
of course he scores.
Of course he does, yaar. Of course.
Yes.
Kane.
I kind of hate watching on PSG. Low-key, not gonna lie. बता गए।
Only said Luis Diaz came foul. That should be a penalty, and that's a penalty to Bayern Munich. Penalty to Bayern Munich. PSG का stadium goes silent. It has been checked, and Harry Kane will get a penalty, दोस्तों. And Harry Kane, he's gonna score it. Let's be honest, दोस्तों. The best striker, Harry freaking Kane, to put Bayern Munich 1-0 up easily. टॉप गोल भाई, लड़का यार ये क्या पेन मारता है यार, ये लड़का फटाक करके। बायर्न म्यूनिख 1-0 up.
और इसे that's a penalty. And that's a penalty. And oh भाई कैसे? They fumbled it so hard भाई. Clear cut penalty है, इसमें तो रिप्ले देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है भाई। Clear cut penalty है भाई। I'll tell you, अगर हैरी केन ने पेनल्टी मिस करी, एक और गिव अवे। और बताओ यार, मैं चाहता हूं कि हैरी केन पेनल्टी मिस करे। हैरी केन, Real Madrid is dreaming of this type of football with Mourinho.
Chance by Diaz. Has he been brought down? Penalty! Bayern Munich! Penalty early on, 15 minutes on the night. Pacho brings down Luis Diaz and look at the reaction. Let's see भाई क्या रेफरी डिसाइड करेगा. रेफरी ने right away penalty दे दी है. More often than not, this type of a foul is given as a penalty भाइयों. Harry Kane now. Harry Kane scores! Bayern lead on the night. Away to Parc des Princes. First blood has been drawn.
Kvaratskhelia.
Can he do? He'll do something.
Stanisic versus Kvaratskhelia. No, that should not even be a...
Maradona for a reason. Maradona is watching. He's a baller,
cheater.
Londo. I love
It's not even a chance. Yes, it's not even a chance from there. Itni sari bodies in the box. No way he makes it happen.
Now we have got Kvicha Kvaratskhelia. Now he has been one of the best players in Champions League this season. I feel like he's going to be the favorite to score something. And look at that! I told you, Kvicha Kvaratskhelia is scoring tonight. Oh my God, what a finish! What a finish! Oh, the best Champions League player this season, Kvicha Kvaratskhelia. Wow!
क्वारा मार दे भाई, चुम्मेश्वरी मार दे यार। My boy, Quaradona hits again. Dembele अपना बैलेंस लो Quaradona को दे दे, चुपचाप दे दे। Beauty. That is beauty. Booty. भाई ना पाया भाई। So sweet भाई।
Kvaratskhelia Dembele अपनी रन होल्ड करेगा. Quaradona inside again. Kvaratskhelia scores! PSG back in the game. It's astounding. It's phenomenal. If not Dembele, it's gonna be Quaradona. मेरे भाई, what a break. Kvaratskhelia turning Stanisic inside out. Finisher मेरे भाई of the magnificent order. This is PSG. You can't defend against that kind of quality. Dembele offered the gift, the easiest goal of his life. Kvaratskhelia scored.
Corner PSG. Dembele. Neves!
Neves.
What a goal!
Neves. This guy always.
What a beautiful goal. PSG are back, bhancho. 2-1. Neves सबसे छोटा गिट्ठा बैंगा. लड़का उछला. Higher than anybody.
Why that straight? Why the bang? What do you mean?
Higher than Upamecano, Jonathan Tah, Alphonso Davies, Stanisic, and the highest to raise, to jump is João Neves. Portugal. Que golazo. 2-1 PSG.
Look at that ball by Dembele. And a goal by João Neves. My God, PSG have turned this around. PSG are doing it. They have turned it around from a corner. Like João, सबसे टैंगा प्लेयर, फील्ड का सबसे टैंगा प्लेयर ने हेडर मारा है. वो माय गॉड भाई, उपमेकानो की झाटों तक आता है ये प्लेयर. एंड हेडर मार गया मैनुअल नॉयर के अगेंस्ट कॉर्नर से. ओह माय गॉड भाई.
डेम्बेले ने बायन के प्लेयरों पे जाओ नेवेस ने गोल मारा है, भोफड़े खुल गए जाओ नेवेस ने इनके, मतलब भाई लिटरली स्मॉलेस्ट गाय ऑन द पिच, पीएसजी के रे मिस्टीरियो ने गोल मारा है इन पे, हेडर।
Corner kick, nicely saved. Oh! John Evans scores! PSG lead! Chotu Bulldog has scored! Park de Pras erupts! Incredible, mere bhaiyo, what are we watching? PSG finding their way back! What a goal! Bulldog strikes! You cannot ignore his presence on the pitch. John Neves, potentially the second shortest guy on the pitch, rose the highest.
Olise,
Slip through.
Olise!
भैया होना था nobody defended him. होना था Ballon d'Or. Yeah, there's no stop. Bhai, he's too colder than Antarctica, colder than liquid nitrogen.
I'm watching a FIFA game. ये FIFA है बहन चोद.
Poor defending बोलूँगा PSG के, क्योंकि too much time and space होली इस पे, इसके बाद तो होना ही था. इसके बाद if he gets इतनी अच्छी area से, he will nut on your face. And then Michael Olise के पास space है, he can take a good shot, and he takes a good shot. What a goal by Michael Olise! This is what I was talking about. This is what these players can do. They are monsters, bhai. They are monsters. These are not football players, bhai. You have to understand, chat. Football is beyond Real Madrid, beyond Barcelona. It is beyond Premier League. It is beyond everything. But these are monsters. We are literally witnessing footballing monsters compete at the peak of their powers.
Olise, oh Michael, भाई लेट, भाई इसे भाई पता चांटा मारा है उसने गोल का भाई, ओलिसे भाई रुमाल को गीला करके इनकी चूतड़ों पे, व्हाट अ गोल भाई, ओह माय गुड भाई। पर इन लोगों ओलिसे को इतनी जगह कैसे दी? नोबडी क्लोज्ड हिम।
Olise can shoot from here. Mikel Olise. What? Are you kidding me? Brilliant banger quality. What a game we are watching. Simple, easy peasy finish. But don't mind me. That goal is out of the world. You cannot allow that much space to Olise. Holy shit. Boy, what a fucking game, Bayo.
हैंडबॉल मांग रहा है, पेनल्टी मांग रहा है, पेनल्टी। डेम्बेले थिंग्स इट्स हैंडबॉल, बट काउंटर पे और पेनल्टी।
यार यश he is not trying to stop it. It's close to his body. It's close to his body.
दिमाग तू भूल जा, तू इस गेम में डिसअपॉइंट होने की नीड ही नहीं है। तीसरा मारेंगे, बाइंड भी मार देगी।
हाफ खत्म होने से पहले ब्लडी पेनल्टी।
डेम्बेले वर्सेस नोयर।
I thought Neuer had it, bhai. Crochet.
Crazy!
By handball appeal, something is being checked. And by that does hit Alphonso Davies' card. Will that be enough to be given as a penalty? That is what is being checked now. Now this could get tricky, bhai. Penalty given! Dembele is on the line to take the pen now. Is he gonna miss it? Mr. Ballon d'Or! It is 3-2 in the first half. Oh यार ये क्या गेम है भाई।
ओके ये पेनल्टी कैसे है? दे दी भाई पेनल्टी दे दी। उसका पता है हाथ यार, फिर भाई अगेन इट्स लाइक दे दी भाई उन्होंने पेनल्टी। भाई डू यू एग्री विद इट? उस्मान देम्बेले आई स्कोर्ड 5 goals at half time. Oh my goodness bhai. Bhai this is a mutbazi. Nah bhai this is crazy bhai. Peak football bhai. This is peak football bhai. Peak football.
Poor yaar. Asking for a penalty, asking for a handball. यार handball है कि नहीं है भाई? रुको. They will be checking, man. I think VR call होगा. Look at that. Davies. Oh, I think the referee is gonna take a look, bhaiyo. Guys, I do see a deflection. It has been given as a penalty, bhaiyo. I do see a deflection from the thighs. And Ousmane Dembele scores 3-2 Paris Saint-Germain on the night, bhaiyo. Chahe jo bhi keh lo, controversial or not, Dembele had to put the ball in the net. He didn't do any mistake. PSG lead on the night.
Hakimi! Oh, they let it go. Kvaratskhelia. वन पास ओवर द टॉप, खाली ना मार्किंग, क्या है ये भाई? दिस इज खुशा क्वारिस खेलिया भाई इस रन के बाद चैंपियंस लीग की, he'll be a PSG legend. 10 goals in the Champions League for PSG. Nobody has done it. Yes. Neuer again.
4-2 to PSG. Chonky, is this over? 4-2 to
Yeah,
PSG.
it could be over.
दो
It could
goal
be
के
over
लिए.
if they
Quarantine
get
for
another
hat
one.
trick.
Hakimi cuts it back. Kuicha Kvaratskhelia. Oh my god! Are we really witnessing this? PSG have done it. 4-2. 4-2. Kuicha Kvaratskhelia. My guy. I told you, bhai. Ek leg. PSG is gonna dominate one leg. I told you, bhai. Because this team.
Bhai, look at that. Look at that by Ashraf Hakimi. What a choice by Kvaratskhelia. Oh, bhai, this will be the dagger. This will be dagger in the hearts of Bayern Munich. And look at that by Vitinha. What a ball that is. Hey, what was the fullback doing? Where is Davies? Bhai, Bayern ke lag gaye, bhaiyo. Lag gaye. Nah. You can't concede a goal like that. Where the fuck was the defense?
Oh, one ball, it's over. Do it. Dembele.
Upamecano shoots. Oh, it's over. They're winning it. Yes, they have won it twice in a row. This club is coming for everybody, दोस्तों. They are oil club, $1 billion team, young. They will आगे आने वाले सालों में they'll come for every freaking buddy. It's done.
Bye.
It's over. Not even in Allianz. It's just not happening.
No goalkeeper in the world will stop that. Banger goal, 5-2 to PSG.
Oh my god, PSG on a break again. 1v1 versus Upamecano. Dembele curves. Dembele. There is no way. My god. 5-2 to PSG. This is no way. Bhai, there are levels. And this team is beyond them. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I actually can. I told you this will happen. I'm not surprised. I'm acting surprised. But I told you this will happen. This team will be remembered as one of the greatest football teams football has ever seen.
Dembele against Upamecano. Dembele! Ousmane Dembele does the unthinkable. Who are you, mere bhai? What is that? Bayern crumbling. Just look at that, Manuel Neuer rooted. Once our company's team getting picked apart like pieces of a puzzle. And this is unpuzzling. This is unpuzzling to everyone who is watching because they know that this was bound to happen. If you allow that much of a time and space to the players of Paris Saint-Germain, you know that individually they can hurt you. They can pick you apart.
Kimmich ki ball.
Delivery. Wait, do we have it? Yes. Don't tell me this is going to be an insanity of a night. Don't tell me. What a header. Beautiful delivery by Kimmich. Kimmich finally shows up.
मैं पागल हो चुका मैच से क्या हो रहा है फुटबॉल
5 कितना स्कोर है 5-3
5-3
गोल और डू इट यार भाई यस 5-5 आज तक देखा नहीं 5-5 Kimmich puts the ball in Upamecano 5-3 Upamecano pulls one back not offside beautiful ball by Kimmich Upamecano doing just enough to get that goal. Good goal. 8 goals. 5-3. 5-3 is too much. By God.
Upamecano! Bro, there you go. Bayern get a goal back, bhaiyo. And that is Upamecano, भाई बॉल को पप्पी देते हुए लाइटली बॉल को ग्लाइड कर दिया. भाई क्या गेम है भाई यार, क्या गेम है भाई. 8 गोल पड़ गए भाइयों मैच में, 8 गोल पड़े. ओए यार व्हाट इज हैपनिंग मैन. गेम स्टिल ऑन बॉयज. गेम स्टिल ऑन. ठीक है, गुलायत वर्सेस गुलायत है ना. दूसरा गुलायत अभी थोड़ा सा ठंडा है, पेल तो वो भी रहा है भाई. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग मैन.
Luis Diaz! मेरी रगों में जले हो गए हैं. Offside.
Off. I think off.
It's on. Yes, it's on. Negreira कर दो. Just give me a pipe.
Lotto the chicken. Lotto. No. 5-4. No, I can't. No. ये
Cheating
सपना है.
चाहिए.
ये गेम एक सपना है.
सही में.
Oh, 5-4
तेरी मूंछें मैं नोच दूंगा यश. तेरी मूंछें सारी नोच दूंगा.
I can't with this game, lad. Bhai Londo, I have not seen anything.
Ever in my life. I've never seen anything.
मैंने देखा नहीं. No goals.
Bayern Munich for a ball for Luis Diaz. Luis Diaz has been top notch in this game. He deserves a goal and he gets it. Oh. Offside दे दिया. He deserves a goal in this game. That's very tight. Very tight. That is so close, bhai. Goal given by 5-4. 5-4. My God, I can't believe this game. I can't believe this game. This is the best. This is the best football game I've watched. No, this is the best football game I've watched ever. 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 No debates. Nothing.
And this is, look at that chance at Diaz. What a touch. Luis Diaz again. Oh my days. Oh my days. This is truly incredible which we are watching. Is that gonna be an offside now? The lady at the end says that's offside. Oh yaar, finish है भाई मेरे. No, 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 no offside, no offside भाइयों. पता नहीं shoulder बाहर है क्या, shoulder बाहर है क्या भाई. अबे क्या है भाई ये? अबे भाई मेरे ये क्या है भाई ये गेम? Boys, this is not just a great game of football. This is one of the greatest game in football. Oh मेरे भाई.